Hi everyone, you all are good. We are here for grade 4 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down grade 4 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter unit of measurement. The lessons we're going to cover today are compare and convert metric units of convert metric mixed units, convert between metric and customary units, add and subtract metric mixed units. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Let's just start with the lesson that is compare and convert metric units of length. So let's just start with the example. Which is more 1 centimeter or 10 millimeter? So which is the correct option? So 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters, right? They are exactly equal. 1 centimeter equal 10 millimeters. Which is more 1 kilometer or 1000 meters? So which is the correct option? That is 1 kilometer equal 1000 meters, right? So let's just start with the test questions. They are the basic units. You have to keep them in your mind. Okay. Which is more 19 millimeter or 1 centimeter? So which is the correct option? Okay, so 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters, right? So obviously then 19 millimeter is more than 10 millimeter. Option number one is the correct option. Very good. That's option number one. 19 millimeter it is. One option one it is. Okay, the next one is 1000 meters equal how many kilometer? One kilometer equals 1000 meter, right? The correct option is 1 kilometer. Option number two is the correct option, right? That is 1 kilometer equals 1000 meter. Option number two is the correct option. Very good. Which is more 1 meter or 130 centimeters? So which is the correct option? The correct option is 130 centimeter is more, right? Because in 1 meter you have 100 centimeters. So obviously then 130 centimeter is more. Very good. The next one is 1 centimeter equals how many millimeters? The correct option is 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeter. Option number 1 is the correct option. Which is more, 562 millimeters or 1 meter? The correct option is option number 2. In 1 meter you have 1000 millimeters. Option number 1 is the correct option. 1 meter you have 1000 millimeters. So option number 1 is the correct option. Very good. Which is more, 1 kilometer or 405 meters? So which is the correct option? The correct option is 1 kilometer is more than 405 meters, right? Because in 1 meter you have 1000. 1 kilometer you have 1000 meters. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is the next lesson is that is mixed units. Okay, 3 kilometer and 502 meters you have to convert into meters, right? We know that in 1 kilometer you have 1000 meters. So first you need to convert that 3 kilometers to meters, right? So you need to multiply 3 times 1000. Now it is 3000 meters. So 502 is already in meters, right? So when we are working on the units, you cannot add or multiply them until they are in the same unit, right? So you have to add them now. They are 3000, and because they are now in the same unit, so you can add them now. That is 3502 meters, option number. That is 3502, right? So let's just start with the test questions. Okay, 9 meter and 55 centimeter. So which is the correct option? Yes, that is 955 centimeter. Option number 2 is the correct option. Very good. Two centimeter, 9 millimeter. So which is the correct option? The correct option is 29 millimeters. Very good. Option number 1 is the correct option. Nine kilometer, 270 meters. So which is the correct option? The correct option is yes, that's option number 2. 9274 meter is the correct option. 4 meter 96 centimeters. So which is the correct option? That is option number 1. 496 centimeter is the correct option. 4 kilometer 558 meters. So which is the correct option? That is 4558. Option number 1 is the correct option. 1 centimeter, 7 millimeter, which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? Option number 2 is the correct option. Yes, 17 it is. The next one is convert 7 kilometer and 743 meters. So which is the correct option? That is 7743. Option number 2 is the correct option. The next one is 2 centimeters, 2 millimeters, which is the correct option? The correct option is 22 millimeters. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is convert between metric and customer units, which is about equal to 255 millimeters. So which is the correct option? 250 millimeters is equal to 1 cup, which is about equal to 1 liter. So 1 liter is equal to 4 cups. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Which is about equal to 15 milliliters, 8 tablespoons or 1 tablespoon? Hmm, 1 tablespoon it is. The correct option is 1 tablespoon, which is about equal to 3 feet. So which is the correct option? 1 meter, 6 meter, 6 meter. That is 1 meter. 3 feet equal 1 meter. Option number 2 is the correct option. Which is about 255 millimeters, 1.1 cup, which is the correct option? 250 milliliters equals 1 cup. The correct option is 1 cup. Option number 2 is the correct option. Which is about equal to 1 teaspoon, which is the correct option? 1 teaspoon equal 5 milliliters. Option number 1 it is. That is 5 milliliters. Option number 1 is the correct option. Which is about equal to 5 milliliter, 1 cup, 1 teaspoon. The correct option is 1 teaspoon. It is right. 5 milliliters equal 1 teaspoon, which is about equal to 1 pint, which is the correct option. The correct option is mm, 500 milliliter. I think too much for 1 pint. That is 63 millimeters. Let's just see. Milliliters. Option 1 is the correct option. 1 pint is equal to 500 milliliters. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, which is equal to 1 foot, 300 centimeters and 30 centimeters. So, which is the correct option? That is 30 centimeter. Option number 2 is the correct option, right? The next one is which is equal to 2 inches, 5 kilometers or 2 centimeters. The correct option is 5 centimeters. How? 5 kilometers. 5 kilometers is too long. That's just 2 inches. So 2 inches is about 5 centimeter. What is about 2 pounds, 1 gram or 2 kilogram? Which is the correct option? 2 pounds is 1 kilogram, right? Option number two is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is add and subtract metric mixed units. Let's just start with the lesson. Okay, so you need to add 4 centimeter, 4 millimeter plus 2 centimeter, 4 millimeter. So the when adding, subtracting or multiplying the units, you always add the same units. You add centimeter to centimeter and millimeter to millimeter, right? So 4 centimeter plus 2 centimeter is 6 centimeter and 4 millimeter plus 4 millimeter is 8 millimeter. So that is 6 centimeter and 8 millimeters. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. The important thing is always add the same units. The next one is 77 centimeter plus 4 meter and 17 centimeters. So which is the correct option? That is 4 meter and 94 centimeter. Option number two is the correct option. One meter plus 4 centimeter 2 millimeter, which is the correct option. That is 4 and 3. Option number yes, 2 is the correct option. 3 kilometer 375 meter plus 594 meters. So which is the correct option? Oh, the correct option is option number one is the correct option. That is 3 kilometer and 969 meters. 43 centimeter plus 6 meter 39 centimeter. Which is the correct option? The correct option is option number 2 is the correct option. That is 6 meter and 82 centimeters. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 1 millimeter and 6 centimeter. Option number 2 is the correct option. 5 meter 6 centimeter plus 2 meter 43 centimeter. Which is the correct option? The correct option is 7 and 49. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 4 math. The chapter we were working on is units of measurement. The lessons we have covered today are compare and convert metric units of length, convert metric mixed units, convert between metric and customary units, and add and subtract metric mixed units. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday 5 to 9. Or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5. If you have any questions related to the lessons we have just covered, you can please ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. Questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.